Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review / comparison of the sugar-free vanilla iced coffee from McDonald's versus the regular iced coffee from McDonald's, not sugar-free. So these are two of their iced coffee drinks, and there's a sugar-free vanilla one that I personally prefer, but I'm going to drink both of these and kind of give a review and compare the two of these just to tell you guys what the difference is. So sugar-free vanilla has less calories. There's like 110, I believe, compared to the 130 that's in the regular iced coffee. That's because the sweetened syrup mix is sugar-free instead of the sugared regular base that the normal iced coffees get. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one here. So it does have the iced coffee taste with a slight vanilla flavor. It's not too intense, like the vanilla is there, but it's not like the only thing you can taste. Some versions of drinks like iced lattes, vanilla versions, are very vanilla flavored, whereas this one's just a little bit vanilla flavored, and it's very good. Not too sweet, but a little bit of sweet, and you can tell that it's an artificial iced coffee, artificial vanilla in the iced coffee. This is the regular one here. And still has the same iced coffee flavor. It's like the cream and the beverage base, the iced coffee. The beverage base in this one is not sugar-free or vanilla. It's just a regular vanilla or regular base for the iced coffee, and it gives it a little bit of a different flavor. It's not sugar-free, so it doesn't have that artificial sugar flavor that the other one has. Although it's not that intense in the sugar-free vanilla. In the regular, though, it's more creamy and coffee flavored than vanilla, which kind of makes sense. But I'll give this one another sip. Yeah, more of a real coffee flavor in that one than the sugar-free vanilla one. And it's got a nice, it's smooth. I really like the McDonald's iced coffee, so having two different types like this is really nice. Giving you options. I'll try the sugar-free vanilla one last time, and then I'll kind of compare, contrast, and give my review. Yeah, the vanilla one's definitely got a bit more flavor going for it. They're both equally smooth and taste like coffee, but I do prefer the sugar-free vanilla version because it's got more of that, I don't know, more of taste to it. I really like the vanilla sweet cream cold brew from Starbucks. It's probably my favorite coffee drink, so it's nice, light vanilla, similar to the sugar-free vanilla iced coffee here from McDonald's. So it really depends what you're looking for in terms of iced coffee. If you want more sweet, I would probably go with the sugar-free vanilla one. It gives you more sweetness and the flavor without the added calories. If you want more of a regular experience iced coffee, just go with the regular iced coffee. It's pretty much as basic as an iced coffee can get. So I prefer the sugar-free vanilla one personally. I would give that an 8.5 out of 10, and the regular iced coffee gets an 8, 7.5 to an 8. So the sugar-free vanilla one is a slight bit better. Not the biggest change in the world though, if you're going with a regular one or a sugar-free vanilla. They're both very similar. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.